Greetings everyone and welcome once again. It's such an honor and pleasure to welcome you all here to our amazing and entertaining channel. Today, we are excited to delve into a truly crucial discussion with regards to our lives, to discover and completely eliminate any reasons or excuses for not taking action. Each individual life is unique and presents their own set of challenges and obstacles. However, we must be genuine and understand that they are mainly excuses. They will not contribute towards achieving our aspiration or bringing those dreams full circle. It's therefore crucial that we no longer allow these excuses to stand in the way of our future growth and further development. Let's take the opportunity today to begin dismantling these excuse-laden barriers, move forward with decisive action, and make swift and determined steps in taking that action without any delay. Your future growth and the realization of your dreams depend largely on how you'll perceive and act upon these opportunities. Don't underestimate the infinite, profound power within the self-belief and self-confidence that each one of us possesses. Acknowledge that we all possess within us the incredible potential to transform the course and direction of our lives. It's now the moment to start that fundamental journey, a transformative and life-changing process that will set the stage for our future happiness and success. Let's set a goal to adopt this crucial journey as our very priority. By embracing this purpose, it's our collective responsibility to work tirelessly to create this ideal life, one that we all genuinely deserve and aspire to fully experience. Together, let's come together with a renewed determination, committed to pursuing this goal, and create the life of our dreams and aspiration for ourselves. I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for each and every one of you who has joined us today. If you find this video and its discussion valuable and thought-provoking, I'd be delighted to hear from you. And I'd also like to encourage you to take the time to subscribe to our channel for even more uplifting and inspiring content like this one. Until we have the opportunity to reunite and explore more incredible adventures together, let's consistently push forward, dedicating ourselves wholeheartedly to the development and realization of the life you genuinely and passionately yearn for. Thank you all so very much for taking the time to watch our video today, and for your tremendous amount of support and encouragement. We are absolutely thrilled to keep you informed and to share more empowering information, tools and resources as we relentlessly dedicate ourselves to creating the life which truly is meant, especially for each of you.